Okay, so now we got the ORP probe and we're gonna rebuild the salt bridge in it. So now we're gonna go ahead and unscrew the salt bridge off the probe. Okay. All right. So there's your salt bridge. And there's your pH of 7 calibrate solution. There's that. There's your new salt bridge. So now what we're gonna do, open this and put it into the probe. Grab the new salt bridge. Make sure to not tighten it crazy tight because you will break the salt bridge. So that's pretty good. Now we got a rebuilt ORP probe. You're going to want to rebuild the salt bridge on your ORP probe yearly. Once a year is perfect. Some customers can get away with 2 to 3 years, but it's pretty inexpensive, so might as well go ahead and do it preventatively.